The difference between a house and a masterpiece? The finish. And the right tools make all the difference. At Norton Saint-Gobain, we offer surface solutions engineered for precision and excellence across every phase of your build: structural, exterior and interior. From steel fabrication to stone polishing, woodwork to tile cutting, Norton Abrasives helps you build faster, finish better and last longer. For structural fabrication, Norton offers high-performance cutting wheels, robust grinding discs and superior flap discs for smooth weld blending. Wire brushes and non-woven pads deliver clean, rust-free surfaces ready for finishing. From concrete to stone, wood to steel, Norton's diamond tools, TCT blades and drill bits deliver precise cuts, clean holes and level finishes with less chipping and rework. In every interior detail, kitchens, floors, furniture, bathrooms, Norton ensures anti-clog sanding, chip-free tile cutting, mirror-like polishing and uniform finishes trusted by professionals. Poor finishing can ruin good materials. The right abrasive makes all the difference, improving durability, aesthetics and performance. With Norton, every surface gets the care it deserves. Norton Abrasives, surface solutions that build better homes.